Hello everyone, and welcome to another project with Stamping with Ian. Today, lots of things going off today. We're going to be making this. I'll give you a bit of a close-up. There we go. I'm going to stamp inside, but when I know what I'm going to use it for, okay? So that's basically it. So we have some embossing, some die cutting, and some colouring. So yeah, let's get on with it, shall we? Now don't forget, if you like this project and this video, please give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe, of course. Ring the bell, ding, 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 ding. And you'll always know when I'm planning something new. I've done some cutting out and embossing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to emboss this again and kind of show you how I did it. Yeah, what mats I used and things. So we've got 2 pieces of Whisper White, which are just a bit less than quarter A4, 3 7/8 by 5 5/8. Okay, that's the inside. Obviously, that's the front. We've got a A5 mat, which is 8 1/4 by 5 7/8, which we're going to fold in half, he says, hoping to get it right. Make sure it doesn't bend, and get our bone folder. Not bad, is it? There we go, beautiful. Let's stick this inside before we do anything else. I've got some. Where's my snail? There it is. So put this here so it's vaguely level. Not like level at all in. Take it off and have another crack at it. Let's put this. There we go. Lovely jubbly. So now then, the outside. Let's do this bit of embossing, shall we? And I'm going to use that on another card. So I'll get myself a bit of cardstock, which I should have had ready, and I haven't. So naughty, naughty me. But it'll give me a chance to show off my lovely trimmer. Love this trimmer. You know, I love the old Stampin' Up one, but this is just leagues ahead of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in. I'm going to cut it at 4 1/8. I'm going to trim it down a little bit anyway, but this is just to give me. What have we done there? 4 1/8. Oh, we twit it in. Anyway, well, let's do it 5. We'll do this. Do this 5 5/8. Oh, Gordon Bennett, what am I like? 5 5/8, and this should be 3 7/8. So we'll have another crack at it, shall we? Right, is that the same size as this? It is. Hallelujah. Right, put that away. Hey, I'm having fun here. Now then, the sandwich I used to achieve this. Let's get the embossing folder. This is it. This is the Parisian Flourish. Beautiful. Love it to bits. We'll put our card in. Kind of get it basically level, you know. There we go. Now then, the sandwich. Because Stampin' Up's changed manufacturers, things are kind of a little bit different now. But the sandwich I've used, which seems to work fine, is my Big Shot platform. the tab number 2 down there with the edge towards the rollers. Then my cutting plate, and we'll see how this goes, shall we? Oops. It is a bit stiff, but there we have it. Beautiful. Perfect. 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 I'll drop the plate. So, let's attach. We'll attach this to the card front because I'm not doing anything else with it. So let's just put that back there. Chaos reigns in the craft room. So liquid glue for this because it's got lots of ups and downy bits. So there we go. And another crack at finding the middle. Oh dear me. Right, oh look at that. He gets it right. Kind of. Almost. Not quite. There we go. Now then. So that's that done. Oh, let's relax a bit, shall we? Do a little bit of colouring. So, 4 colours here. I've got light old olive, light rococo rose, light mango melody, and light cherry cobbler. So rococo rose first, and we'll do our flowers. Or shall we do, no, let's do the middles first. I did the middles first last time actually, so yeah, let's do the middles. Cool. Then the flowers. This is really nice. I love these blends, you know. I might even splurge and get the dark variants as well, you know. I wasn't quite sure if I'd like them or not, which is why I've kind of only bought the light ones. Even though I can go over again and kind of get a darker shade, you do have to wait for it to dry and everything. So I'm kind of wondering about getting the dark ones and doing some blending and things, you know. Well, I guess we'll see how it pans out, I suppose. But here I am rambling along. Oh, dear me. I can kind of see what I'm doing, he says. But hey, if it goes a little bit outside the lines, doesn't matter. It's homemade. You know, it shows that little bit of a personal touch. I'm definitely going out the lines. I should really use the fine tip for these, but yeah. I like the fact that it's slightly out. Gives it kind of a watercolory type effect, or something or other, you know. Now for the leaves, which is all this here. There we go, job done. Now we need to cut this out. Just give it a bit of a wave. I didn't show you the stamp set, did I? Which I'll put somewhere. There it is. This is the Last a Lifetime stamp set, and this is the flower I've used and coloured. And I'm using the matching die, which is this one, which we will retrieve from the pack. There we go. I'm trying to keep the dies together Obviously I need a different sandwich for this. So put the embossing folder over there, put the multi-purpose platform out of the way, and we get our magnetic platform, cutting plate, card, and cover up the die. Oh dear, where are we? That's the wrong way around, isn't it, Ian? You twit. Oh dear me. Hey, yeah, I'm having fun today, you know. It's bloody hysterical, isn't it? There we go. Let's get that in there. Perfect. And then our top plate doesn't move. It moved as I put it in. Come on magnetic plate, do your thing. I don't really want to have to tie it down with washi tape. There we go. Another crack at it, and here we go. Oh dear me. And there is our beautiful. Here's our beautiful flower. Put this die away before it goes walkabout, because I've lost one of my sailing dies. It's the outline of the compass, which I'm quite sad about. I mean, I dare say it'll turn up, but although saying that, my other piercing tool never turned up, even though I've completely revamped the craft area and moved it, and it still didn't turn up. Right, sentiment time. Got some Memento black here. Love this black. And our congratulations stamp. So slap that on. Make sure it's all lovely and inky. It is now. And then put it kind of about there. Press down. That will do. Give it a bit of a wave. Put it on the cutting plate on our magnet and line it up. Lovely. Top plate, and through our die cutting machine. And there we have. So there's our bits. Put the ink away before you put your fingers in it, Ian, and your elbow, and Lord knows what else. We're going to stick this up. So a few dimensionals. Well, just two. It's not very big. It's not very heavy. So yeah. We'll put this in the bottom corner, like so. Make sure it's level. Okay, we get our flowers, our lovely painted flowers. A couple of those, and remove, and put that just on the top like that. Beautiful. So there's the one we've just made, and there's the one I made earlier. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this and you'll have a go yourself. Remember to give me a thumbs up, ring the bell when you subscribe, ding 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 ding. You'll always know when something's going off. Whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I will see you all again soon. Bye now.